Now students, after simple present tense and present continuous tense, now we will learn present perfect tense. This is the tense which tells us about an action which has been done just now or a short while ago. Students, please follow page number 55. So in present perfect tense, we know or we use about an action which has been done just now. In present continuous, the work is going on now, and in present perfect, the work has been done already but just now or a short while ago. Like Matthew has completed his work just now. Emily and Jessie have eaten their food. So we use has and have in the particular tense. In this particular tense, in present continuous, we used am, is, are, and in present perfect, have or has. Now see, has for singular, he, she, it, and have for plural, like you, we, they. Now see the positive form, subject plus have has plus V3. Here you can see V3. In present continuous, V1. V1 means main verb. In simple present, V1 means main verb. Now the third form of the main verb, like go, went, gone. So V3 means gone, V1 means go, V2 means went. Now you can see here Ravi has flown a kite. So flown is the third form of fly. Fly, flew, flown. So V3 means the third form. So for forming present perfect tense, you will have to learn the third forms. Now see, subject have has plus V3 plus object. Ravi has flown a kite. Ravi is third person singular, so has been used. Now see, they have done. Do, did, done. Done is third form, so V3. And they plural, so have has been used. Now see, negative. Subject plus has or have plus not. Then V3 plus object. Only that in negative sentence, only not is coming between have has and V3. Chloe has not gone to school. Nidhi has not received any message. Now students, please follow the next page, interrogative. Again, similarly you can see has, have will come first. As we have seen in present continuous that am, is, are will come first. Here also in interrogative, has, have will come first, then subject, then V3 plus object plus interrogative sign. Don't forget to put interrogative sign in any tense. For interrogative sentences, you should put interrogative sign, obviously. Now see, has or have, then subject, then V3. So has Rahul danced in the class? Have you ever seen the Taj Mahal? And as you can see here, interrogation mark or question mark has been put. Now negative interrogative. Similarly, has, have will come first, then subject, then only not will come between subject and V3. Have you not given? Have you not given him the basket? Have they not punished the culprit? So here also you can see have, has will come first, then subject you, then not for negative, and then V3 means give, gave, given. So third form of give, given, and then object, him the basket, and then interrogation mark. Have they not punished the culprit? Similarly you can see have for plural they, and then not, then the third form punished, and then object plus interrogative.